Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold US dollar. Before the analysis, we'll look at the economic calendar for today. Then we'll proceed with our gold analysis. We have a high impacting news for US dollar coming at 8:30 PM IST, and 9 PM we have medium impacting news for US dollar. And when we look at the news for other currency pairs, there are only low impacting news. So we are having high impacting news only from 8:30 PM. So plan your trades, entry and exit based on this news schedules. Let us start with our analysis. I'm in daily time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs. So when we look at the price action in gold, we can notice here that it has given a new high. The wicks have gone up to the level of 2070, and currently the price action is in a retracement, but it is continuously making new highs every day. So from this price action we understand that gold is in a very strong bullish trend. So when we try to understand what will be the next target, we'll use the Fibonacci's extension tool to find the resistance and support levels. This is from where the bullish trend started, and this is the highest it went previously, and this is the lowest it has gone previously. So when we mark these levels, we can notice that currently the price action is trying to break the 61.80% in the Fibonacci's extension tool, which is around 2056. So when we mark all the Fibonacci's levels, currently the price action has tested this level of 2060, and it is on a retracement. And previously this level of 1989 was acting as a very strong resistance and support, and currently the price action is trading between this resistance and support level, which is around 50% to 61.80% of Fibonacci's tool. So if the price action continues to go on a bullish trend, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 2165. We can notice that bullish trend is very strong, and the reason behind this bullishness is due to the Ukraine-Russia war tension. As long as this issues continues, we can expect gold to continue its strong bullish trend. In the past, gold had gone up to the level of 2074, then the retracement started, but currently you can notice that the bullish trend is very strong in gold, and if the price action breaks this previous high of 2074, we can expect a bullish trend to start in this currency pair. Till now it is only retracing to the previous high, so we can expect a bearish trend reversal to happen. But if it breaks this resistance level, we can expect the actual bullish trend to start in this currency pair, and next level of resistance is going to be around 2165, which is the 78.60% in Fibonacci's extension tool. I've also drawn the trend line over here, and again one more trend line over here. You can notice that it has not gone for the retracement at all. We all know that this strong bullish trend is created due to the war tension between Ukraine and Russia. Once this issue is under control, we can expect a retracement to start in gold. At present, 1989 will be acting as a strong support if the price action retraces. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. I have drawn a support line or the trend line over here, the green color line. Here also we can notice that it has consolidated for a while at this resistance level of 1989. Then it started its bullish trend. Currently it has tested the resistance level of 2061, and it is on a retracement. So if it retraces also, we can expect it to take support on the previous trend line or the support line, then to continue its bullish trend. We can expect similar price action which had happened in the past, then to start its bullish trend. So currently the price action is consolidating and moving on a sideways. So once the consolidation is over, we can expect the bullish trend to start. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is taking support at the support level of 2035 and it is only consolidating. We can expect a bullish trend to continue from this point. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, it is in a very strong bullish trend. It has found resistance at the resistance level of 2061 and currently it is on a retracement. We can expect it to take support on the support line from the hourly time frame, then to continue on a bullish trend. As long as the Ukraine-Russia war tension continues, we can expect a bullish trend to continue in gold also. I would recommend you to wait until it takes support on this trend line, then to go on a bullish side, because overall trend of the current price action is on the bullish side. I would recommend you to trade with the trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is on a retracement after testing a new high. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. When we notice the price action in 5 minutes time frame, I have drawn a trend line or the support line for 5 minutes. Currently the price action has taken support on this trend line and it is giving a sign of bullish trend reversal. Since this is a 5 minutes time frame, we can expect a trend to change every time. So always trade based on the higher time frame trend lines. Only if the price action breaks this resistance level of 2053, we can expect a continuation of the bullish trend. Otherwise, we can expect a consolidation to happen between this support and resistance level. Even if the price action breaks this resistance line, we have the higher time frame resistance level also. It has to break this resistance level in order to start its bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame, and currently the price action is in a retracement. If the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to trend down and take support on the hourly time frame support line. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.